This is America.
Hey everyone, what's up? It is me, Merrrica. Welcome to my bathroom. You might ask me, wait a second, Merrrica, this is weird, you're in the bathroom. What are you doing in there? The answer is, I'm getting ready for bed. I'm enjoying my nice hemp-based CBD vape before bed to help me unwind, and I have a brand new toothbrush. To me, dental hygiene is super important. I don't know if you were aware of this, but dental health can be very detrimental later on in life. Like, it can cause you many issues and infections, and you can't, like, if you don't have proper teeth, you can't eat food. Gingivitis, plaque. I am not a dentist. I don't know anything scientific. I just know you need to have good teeth to survive if you want to have a long, healthy life. So, after that spiel, I'm sorry, I'm not a dentist. I just am a dental enthusiast. Hence, my review for the Dental Duty Sonic Electronic Toothbrush. I'm poor, let me just say that. I can't afford Sonic Care. This one is like $35 on Amazon, and it got really good reviews, so here we are. So not only do you have to brush, flossing is V important. Sorry, I didn't mean this to be like a educational sermon. This is just like my bedtime routine. I brush and I floss, except I floss first. So let me go ahead and floss. You want to make sure you get every nook and cranny back there. And you're not just getting food out of your teeth, you're massaging your gums and getting every little thing out of both sides of the tooth. Every single tooth is important, y'all. Do not miss any square millimeter of your gum. Get in there. All done. All right, so after you're all done with the flossing, it should just take a couple minutes. Every day you gotta do that. Then you can brush. So I'm gonna see what comes in this kit from Dental Duty. Ooh, it has a case, so I can take it with me when I'm traveling. That's a problem. I have just like a small, tiny travel toothbrush, and it's gross. Nice. Sweet, okay. So you have the battery and 2 heads it comes with. And it comes with the kind that have the rubber on the outside to get inside deep. That's what she said. And this other thing, I'll find out what it is. How to install. Slide toothbrush head down to handle. Turn clockwise until aid meets teeth. Sounds right to me. What's in here? An extra toothbrush head and charger. Okay, we'll see what kind of charger's in here. Okay, USB charger, and it is one of these guys here. And you just pop it right into the butt of the toothbrush. You can charge it. There is no stand though, that's one thing. But it also, let me check for that before I stand corrected. Yep, there's no stand in here. So you'll have to figure out a way. You can probably just leave it on its side in the case and then charge it that way. That's probably best. Okay, so I am a clean freak. I know it's a brand new toothbrush, but I have some hydrogen peroxide. I'm just gonna pour some over. It is a disinfectant for dental equipment. Okay, I'm a weirdo. And it's a tooth whitener, so if you don't have any teeth whitener with you, you can just use hydrogen peroxide. Okay, and this is the toothpaste I'm using. It is just from Target, you know, anti-plaque and whitening, fluoride-free, baby. I should read the instructions, maybe. Oh, there's different settings. Okay. And it's lit up with the LED light. So whitening, clean, sensitive, polish, massage. All right, clean. And 2 minutes. Okay, so 40,000 sonic vibrations per minute. And it's waterproof. Here we go. I'm too much all over me. Nice. Okay, it automatically stops. Then we go spit. Wow, you guys, I feel squeaky clean. It's like humming and it goes super fast and it goes 2-minute cycles, and every 30 seconds it has a mini beep in there and it lets you know when you should move on. I really like it. I have not owned a Sonicare in 20 years. So if you're in the market for a brand new toothbrush and you want some nice pearly whites, I would definitely recommend this Dental Duty. It cleaned my mouth super well and it's a really good price. I'm super into dental hygiene, so I know that I will stick to this, and I will be traveling with this. And if you want to get a discount on one of these, here is a code for you, and enjoy the rest of your night and a happy dental hygiene to you. My name is Merrrica. Thank you so much for watching this review. Good night.